it's really, really good to come to something like this that gives us the whole day to dig deep down into it and to see what can be done.
We really wanted to use today to figure out how best we could use it within the school. And then for me personally, it's using it to support AEN and SEN within the school.
Because oftentimes with any software, whether it's your phone or it's a computer, you're just using the same things all the time and you never realise the potential that's there.
So we've learned a good bit today about how we can upload data en masse, so we're not having a lot of time with cleaning of data, and for data entry as well, so how to speed up the process.
And from talking to the other schools and from their experiences, and it's kind of given us an idea as to where we want to go next with it.
Yeah, we learned a lot from that conversation there at the end. You learn how other people bring it in and what works, and it's good to know that other people's schools have similar reactions.